My guy! Straight from Japan!
What's up, dude?
What up, boys?
Look at your truck. What the fuck?
Yo! What's going on? What up, dude?
Hey, bro.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Aaron.
Yeah.
With it. Good morning.
Welcome to Casa
Brimhall. Casa Brimhall. Woo! Lucky Charms to go to.
Let's go see the two cutest kids in the world.
Oh, yeah, they're
Trust me when I say that. Hello! Oi! Oi! Hey! Hey!
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet
And
you.
Sal.
Treats.
Really?
Oh my god.
They're not very good. They didn't turn out very good.
It looks so good though.
It's just store-bought. I baked it though, but it's not very good.
To be honest,
I love that.
right now,
Did you get their names because it was so loud?
these two are more important than these right
I
now.
know, but to me, those are more.
This is Luca and that's Drew.
Say hi.
Hey.
They're so shy too.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hey.
Did they just wake up? They look so tired.
I love the hair.
I know. I'm gonna take a minute with these and just try to survive.
Go outside.
Yeah.
Oi, hey. Right, what's going on?
Uh-oh, America. That's what's going on.
This is American. We're buying props because we're off tomorrow morning early.
Trying to find the best floaty.
Yeah. We're in a store right now. This is it.
Look at that ginormous monster sprinkler.
You know what I think though? These are small as hell.
They are.
Look at the size of that kit.
That is tiny.
The whole idea is to sit in it and hold like a wakeboard rope behind a bike.
Jeez, that's so gnarly.
Guys, it's a mega swan.
No way.
It's a mega swan island.
Oh yes.
Or the duck. Let's go for the duck.
The duck is more American, I think. But
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
These are other options that I got. I pulled aside for you.
oh, you really did pull them aside.
Those are options too. What are you guys doing?
We don't know really.
We have no idea.
This is cool.
How are we even gonna blow this up?
We have 3 mouths here. We're gonna do the human centipede and it's gonna work. Duck it is.
Duck. Thank you for that. Morning.
Morning.
You made it on time.
What's up, man?
What up?
Hey. This is gonna be fun.
I'm so excited. This is like Christmas morning.
Oh yeah.
Hello. We're all pretty tired. We're pretty tired.
Oh, okay.
We need some coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Can I get an iced latte? 3 of those.
Boom.
Dude, look, this is so insane. Like, every way looks so good.
Complete madness, bro. This is unreal. Look at now.
Dude, you can't be mad right now.
No.
You can't be mad.
This is unreal.
Wow.
This is. I don't really have any words.
Speechless.
I love this biatch. It's so slippery.
Please say you got that in slow.
I got it in slow-mo, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy that happened.
Why?
Let's rewatch the shot. Let's rewatch it.
This is like so slippery. It's crazy.
Be careful on the white stuff because you will fall over like fast.
Yeah.
It's so slippery. How is it, Andres?
I mean, this place, this bike,
Forked up.
and that drone over there.
Dude, you're like on his tail with the drone, dude.
Yeah, I almost crashing him. I mean, I'm gonna show you the best shot ever.
Dude.
It's insane.
So freaking.
I think I got world's most insane shot of you, Johnny.
Yeah?
The best I've ever done in my life.
This is so much fun. You need to hop on this.
Yeah.
We need to swap. This is too much fun.
Yeah. Are you gonna drone me?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course I will. You gotta be careful though. It's so slippery.
Yeah.
Like it's crazy slippery. It's like an ice rink.
The fun thing is, I've only driven a moped in my life. It goes like 30 or 50.
You gotta hop on then.
Let's try it out.
I'm almost nervous that you're gonna drive this thing.
Where do you want? Was it cool? All right, let's see. How do we start? We press this button, right?
No, hold in the clutch. Yes, and now just press.
Kick it.
No. Press that little gray button.
Woo! All right. What just happened? What the fuck? This is not a good start.
Please don't fall.
Where's the kid?
He's out behind you.
Boy.
Did he fall?
No, he dropped his hat. Aaron, okay, guys, this is insane. This is my first time driving. I just wheelied. But Aaron, tell me about it. Was it good?
Dude, you were like this high off the ground. So good.
It was like at least 2
It felt
seconds.
like I was like this high. I felt like
Your goggles are a little off.
I felt like a fucking unicorn flying.
You killed it.
This was fun.
Wow.
I say, hit the actual soft flats.
Yeah.
Look what you did.
Sorry.
It's okay. I love you.
God.
It's so heavy.
Wow. Good job, Versace.
Oh my god. You actually made it?
It's so small. I thought it was gonna be like one of those big flamingos, you know?
We should have gone for the mega Swan Island.
I'm gonna car wash myself.
Oi, oi, oi.
God, everything is so dirty. At least the car and the bike is almost clean. It's so
Yeah.
hard to get this off, dude.
We're getting there.
Yeah, it takes time.
Yeah.
Hey, I want some pizza. God damn.
Some American pizza right here. What's going on? What are you doing with Murphy?
Are you allowed to be in the bed? No, you're not. No. Oh, I'm so jet lagged.
I'm pretty tired as well. What should we do?
I'm gonna have a shower and I'm gonna do laundry. And then
You're so slow right now. Catch back soon. We don't know what we're doing, but we're doing something.
Yeah.
Good.
Bye. How did this happen?
Where did we end up?
It's winter.
Yeah.
Dude.
Still in Utah though.
Yeah, we just drove for like 20 minutes and now it's snow and winter storm. Very sick location though.
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot with this beast.
Woo! So cool. This is Dylan, by the way.
Hey.
Welcome to the vlog. Whoa.
This looks so sick right
Dude, that
here.
tree in the background is so perfect.
I know, I love it.
Aaron, how are we today?
Man. Hands are cold, palms are sweaty, my mom's not spaghetti. She doesn't have any
As I
spaghetti.
said, you should be a songwriter.
Don't get hit by that truck.
What truck?
Nah, there's none.
Let's shoot some banger shots.
Yeah.
It's an influencer lifestyle.
The way he looks. Excuse. Oh. This fucker.
I'm out.
Oh.
Are you going?
Yeah. Dude, nice to meet you, homie.
That was a quick shot.
Dude. Holy shit.
I haven't seen it yet, but probably unreal.
Oh my god. So cold up here.
Yeah. We're outside Post Malone right now. Oh, it's coming. Holy shit.
Say we drove wrong.
How's it
The
going?
camera.
No, we're just kind of cruising around.
Well, you're cruising on private property.
Are we?
Yeah, we already passed signs down at the bottom of the thing that said private road.
Oh, we were just looking at all the cool houses.
Okay, I need to get your ID.
Put that camera down. Okay, should we explain what just happened?
Yeah.
So we went up to Post Malone's house, and then yeah, obviously he got this like security people outside, and they checked his ID in the car and stuff. Close to getting like $1,000 fine. So weird. If you're, I mean, when you see this, Post Malone, sorry, dude.
Problem after problem.
Dude, we go to Post Malone's house, they won't let us in. We had wristbands and everything, but now we can't get through the car wash without getting stuck. This thing just dropped on us.
Whoa, what is that?
Lava. It's lava, dude.
This looks insane.
We ended up in a gym. Thought we could do like a little CrossFit session. It's a long time ago. It's more fun than just doing biceps curls. Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, boys.
It looks super easy when you're writing it down.
It was kind of hard.
That was way hard.
Look at this guy.
I'm out.
How are you?
Let's end the vlog. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you want to end it now?
Yeah.
You want to end it?
Huh?
You want to end the vlog?
No, just because he doesn't want it.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Go.
Bye. Who is this guy? Oh. Alright, bye guys.